Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so troubleshooting works. First, make sure both the Apple device and the Airplay target share the same Wi-Fi network and band. Mismatched bands can block discovery. You should also enable Bluetooth because it helps discovery even if streaming uses Wi-Fi. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to refresh connections and reboot the router or devices if they haven't been restarted recently. Doing this clears transient network states and resets device advertising, so you can proceed to pairing. Now you'll address software and permission barriers that commonly stop Airplay. Update both sender and receiver to the latest OS because Airplay fixes often arrive in system updates. This resolves protocol mismatches. Then open the Airplay or home settings on the receiving device and set permission to allow your device or show an access code if required. Make sure firewalls, VPN, or guest network isolation aren't blocking MDNS or Airplay ports. If they are, either disable them temporarily or whitelist the necessary traffic, so discovery. Finish by doing targeted fixes when basic steps fail. If issues persist, reset network settings on your mobile device to remove corrupt profiles. Backup first because this clears Wi-Fi passwords. For the receiver, use wired Ethernet when available. That eliminates wireless interference and stabilizes Airplay streaming. Then test with a different sender or receiver to isolate whether the problem is with the source or the target. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Capture a short video of the behavior and note exact error messages to speed support or advanced debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.